Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is from Lancome. My wife said she got this retail price was supposed to be around like 400 something bucks, and then she got it for only like 60 something. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I'm not even sure what is this gift box or something. It's supposed to come with a big kind of gift box. So hopefully there's no invoice in there, so I need to take it out. What the? Look at that, nice presentation. Even has a tissue wrap with the rose sticker on there. Here is the rose with a nice petal. Let's get the box out of the way. There's the invoice. So apparently I think she bought 2 sets. Let me check. So here is the total damage. She got the, I guess, a holiday 2018 beauty box. 2 of them for $65 each, so it's 130 bucks. I guess it's a blush, and then something TI Ultra, 32 and 39.95 total. Tax $219.63. I'm just gonna unbox one of it since both of them are the same. So let me check it out, make sure they are the same. Wow, look at that, nice. So it says worth $422. 10 full-size favorites. Remove for gift giving. Wow, nice box. Check on this one. So it's the same thing, except this one she got 2 of the extra folders. There's the expiration date. So let's go ahead and open one of this. Wow, looks so nice. Ooh, you see the Lancome deboss on there. Some of this too has a plastic cover or wrapper to protect it, and it's in gold color. There's a handle right here. Nice. Wow. Inside is like a satin velvet. Nice finish. Check out what's in here. I think this is what, mascara or something. Yep. So this is a what, lipstick? Wow. Super red lipstick. Nice. Excuse me. So here's another lipstick. Probably eyeliner. Not sure what the white one is for. It's a booster. So it's a mascara too. Check out this lipstick. So this one's a different color. Crayon. Black and bony. Okay, let's move on to the midsection. Check out what is in here. Not sure it's the same color or not. Or it is different. My wife said just alone this one with a lot of money. Not sure what is a pump. Oh, it's a dripper. Alright, hopefully you guys like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. It's a nice box. Carry all your makeup. It's almost like a what? Snake skin. Look-alike. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace.